Eene, meene, mine.
It could only happen in Brooklyn.
Bang! Ah!
Oh! Oh!
Now. What are you doing, playing for the other team? Ah! What's the matter with you? Don't wait your hand on me.
Well, that's nothing, just some
Sit down and relax. Asking questions again, huh?
Say, did you ever hit a guy on the chin?
Yeah, once.
What is such a trouble? Oh! This is... sound!
Can't hit me, can you?
So listen, Pat, just let me explain.
Explain.
You insolent...
There must be some mistake.
Yeah, that's you. I'm not doing it for you.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm. I'm doing it for Ann, you smack-off. Why, the dirty little rat. You dumb, dizzy joke. No, you silly-looking ape. You dirty little stool pigeon. Why, that dirty double-crosser.
Well, now, you don't look like a bad young fella at all.
Why, you big, silly-looking pickle-push blabbing ape.
Oh, I'm really a very nice guy.
Drop dead.
Uh-huh. What are you doing to my chair? Get out of there. Ethics. Ethics. I'll show you who's got ethics. I won't let you have it.
The Duke blew on the hunting horn and laughed, ha-ha, when the hounds came running.
Oh, break her sweet smelling neck. I'll show her who's a gentleman.
Why did you do that?
I don't like your face.
I'd like to have you sock me like that every day.
Oh, would you?
Mm-hmm.
What a woman.
Mm-hmm.
No, go ahead, enjoy yourself. Don't worry, I'll see she does.
Hey, what do you mean crashing in like that? Can't you see I'm taking a bath?
Yeah? Move over. Was you there, Charlie?
Stop it, will you?
All right, then. Stay that way.
All right, enough scars now. Good old.
Down, Bazark, down. Yeah?
You hope?
That income tax. I wish I had a piece of that racket.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Huh?
What?
What? What? What? What?
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-uh.
Love will find a way. Oh, now, come on, boy.
Dum-dum, 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 bum! All I can say is I'll try. Oh! Oh, pipe down, pipe up, pipe down. What is it?
I ain't so tough.
What's the matter?
Oh, shut up.
I've got to have another brandy.
If I had the wings of an angel, honey, gotta keep those tootsies off the floor. Over these prison walls, I would fly.
I can't give you anything but love, honey baby.